never slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
So, General Muhoozi has criticized the Supreme Court ruling. Well, in this podcast is an highlight of what happened during the celebration of Therese Setta's the 44th anniversary. General Muhoozi, in his lengthy speech, which was supported by the likes of Balam and also the UPDF themselves, have criticized the Supreme Court ruling that has ordered civilians not to be tried in the military courts. The first rejection, the tip of rejection, came from the spokesperson of General Muhoozi himself, and now he has also confirmed that indeed he doesn't concur with this.
Your Excellency, this I will not go into details. We shall discuss this in the High Command. But Your Excellency, this development is very unfortunate and quite unacceptable. It could herald a national security crisis, threatening the effective command, control, and administration of the defense forces. That said, we cannot and shall not abandon or compromise the UPDF Historical Mission under any circumstances.
General Muhoozi revealed that the UPDF is working with the Ministry of Defense to draft amendments to the UPDF Act as recommended by the Supreme Court.
We are in the meantime working with the Ministry of Defense and the Attorney General to see that the necessary legislative amendments are made to address the mandate of the military court-martials.
He also urged President Museveni to address the Supreme Court judgment.
We urge Your Excellency that you address this matter as soon as you can. This year will be a political campaign season. We will also be on the lookout for saboteurs, both within and without. The intelligence services are working overtime to make sure that we are aware of all the evil plans of some of these people.
So General Muhoozi has just proven the statement by Patrick Lumumba that the Supreme Court have done the right thing, but they should be careful from the pressure and threats from the political wing. We all know recently Muhoozi has expressed political interest, and this is what is coming. A number of the people in the country are happy with the ruling, but we have seen the president and most of the central authority people are not happy with this ruling. But also Norbert, on the other hand, has supported the statement of the Supreme Court and also went ahead to bring clarification to those who may mistake. Mao is saying, never mistake that this is not an order for the release of Kiza Besigye, but instead it is an order to transfer Kiza Besigye, including the rest of other civilians who are being held in the military court martials. So this is what Norbert Mao said.
It is the duty of everybody to respect and abide by the court decision. That does not stop you from disagreeing. You can even, if you don't like driving on the left, you can keep driving on the left while holding a sign saying it is stupid to drive on the left. You will not be arrested, provided you are driving on the left. So, that means you are disagreeing. You are disagreeing with the law, but you are not disobeying it. As Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, I can tell you, it is not illegal to disagree with the law. It is illegal to disobey the law. Our laws put the Supreme Court at the apex of our judicial system. And I said that point. But of course that was not enough, Mr. Speaker, for the Honorable Semunju, because he must associate Mao with what he calls the junta, because that gives him great pleasure. That I'm now a monster, I'm an oppressor, and that's how he will earn his next term in Parliament. So I'm glad. I'm glad you are cooperating with him to make sure his people see him on TV battling this monster which has now swallowed Mao.